Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inna alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hussain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Importance of public finance. That means what's its significance of public finance, or what its significance of public finance, or what is the importance of public finance. So we are going to discuss in it several points. Number one, provision of goods, remove undesirable side effects of market economy, redistribution of income, increase of income, and increasing the scopes of public finance. These are the several heads of discussing importance of public finance. First one is provision of public goods. So for providing public goods like roads, military services, street lights, etc. are the public goods, and it's financed by the public finance. So to prepare the roads, military service, street lights, establish the street lights, these are the functions of public finance. So business firm or individuals has not right to do things. So if you think these provisions of public goods, so it bears to much importance of public finance. Business firms will have no incentive to produce such goods as they get no payment from private individuals. So BRTC bus in our country, and rails, roads and railways are the products of public goods. So most of the peoples are consume these public goods of a country. That means whenever you go outside from your home, you are using the goods of government. Whenever you walking on the street, or you try to by cycling of your bicycle, you are using public goods. Or whenever you go to the Dhaka or any other parts of the country, you are using, whenever you are using the railway services, the goods of public. So in this sense, it bears too much importance of public finance. Later on, public finance try to remove undesirable side effects of market economy. Always time government try to remove these side effects. So at first you were try to understand market economy. Market economy, that means capitalistic economies. The person who has more capital, he is more powerful, and he can do anything whatever he like. So in this sense, government try to remove these side effects. So all over the world there has a maximum countries has the market economy, but government try to protect its side effect. How government try to protect? In this way government try to protect. That means try to impose some restrictions on pollutions, sound pollutions, air pollutions, water pollutions, and governments impose some taxes on activities, so to reduce this pollution. So, in the market economy there can be established in a factory in anywhere, but government try to restrict to establish factory anywhere. So, you have to pass the environment rules and regulations that it cannot harm in the environment, it cannot destroy the green environment. So, in this way government try to restrict these externalities. Then public finance helps government to reduce the gap rich and poor gap by the redistributions of income. That means you have to pay taxes. The rich people provides more tax and poor people need not to provide taxes. So, the person who has more income, he or she will provide more taxes. In this way government try to redistribute income. Later on we will see income increase. So, government try to introduce several projects for enhancing general people's income. So, several times you have heard the government launches several projects, 5-year project, 10-year project, that is whenever you are studying finance, the capital budgeting project. So, whenever in the budget there has the huge amount of fund can be redistribute in this sector for enhancing general people's income, then increasing scopes. So, day by day the activities of the government are increasing, economic activities. So, a scope of public finance also increasing, generation of employment opportunities, control of economic fluctuations like boom and depreciations, maintaining economic stability, etc., etc. Some of the trust areas of governments through fiscal operations. So, in this way this has the more importance. Another thing you have to remember that welfare state, government try to establish the welfare state. The role of public finance has been increasing in this role of state to establish a role of welfare state. So, in this way and you can questions what is welfare state. Welfare state, that means where has maximum advantage provided by the government to the general people, and the difference between rich and poor can be minimized by the providing such services. So, in the period of COVID-19, the governments provide the poor peoples as a lump sum 2,500 taka, 2,500 taka. So, these are the examples of welfare state where the poor peoples can get a benefit government. So, that is why it has several importance of public finance, plays a great role to control the economy. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.